Hey guys, it's Brandon302, and today guys we are back with another video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a leaderboard slash a stats board that shows the top stats on the game. So what player has the top stats on the game. So first, you guys are going to start out with just a part right here. The scripts will be in the description, but you guys need to follow the first little steps. So I'm just going to name this global LB for global leaderboard. Then what you guys want to do is you want to add a surface GUI, as you guys can see, a surface GUI, and let's name this global leaderboard GUI. Then add a scrolling frame. There we go. So this is going to be the scrolling frame right here. Also, I'm going to change the size of the part because I am using this from my own game, but you guys can do whatever you want for this. So the size I'm going to be using is right here. It's kind of specific, but it's fine. You guys can do whatever you want. And then we're also going to be changing the size and the position of the scrolling frame. So the size of the scrolling frame is right here. There we go. That's the size of it. And then the position is right there. So that's how it's gonna look. You guys can change the colors or whatever you want with it, but the border color for me is going to be this right here. So it's like I have it as like a blue, but you guys can change this to whatever you want. Then I'm going to also change the background to probably just like a grayish black, so like kind of just a black, as you guys can see. And then the part, I'm gonna change the transparency to 0, so when you're facing from this way you won't be able to see the leaderboard. You guys can do whatever you want. You can make it just full if you want, but it will only show on this side. So that's why I'm just using it like this, so when you go on the other side of it, it will be right here. So let's just name the scrolling frame list, because this is going to be the list of people. And then we are going to insert a script into the scrolling frame, and we're going to call this script global LB handler, and the script is in the description in a paste bin. So just click that paste bin link in the description, and then you can copy it in there. So here's the script right here. The currency I'm using for this is money. So whatever says money here, you guys will have to change to whatever you want. As you can see, if I just highlight everything, you can see everything else that has money. So you guys could just use this Control H, and then this will pop up, but there's some with no capitals and there's some with capitals right here. So the only ones that need capitals are this one right here and this one. Every other money stat on here is lowercase. So yes, I will leave that script in there. And now we actually got the script for the board now. So now what we are going to be doing is the messages and everything up here. So you will want to insert a frame, just a normal frame, into here, and let's call it template. So there we go. And again, I'm going to be using a certain position or anything. So to the position is just going to be 0, 0, and then the size is right here. So there's the size of it. So next, we are going to insert 3 text labels into here. So I'm actually going to delete these. You guys can just insert 1 for now. So these are going to be the stats and everything. So let's name this one money, and actually let's just create 2 more, and then player name, and then we got the rank right here. So there's our 3 stats we're going to be having. I know you can't see them right now. You'll be able to see it soon. But let's make these. So the money, which is the like how much they have. This is going to show how much they have. So there's the size for it right there. And here is the position. And then you guys can change the text color to whatever you want. I'm going to change it to this type of like gold thing that I have on my game. So there we go. And then we also want text scaled. That's if you want. I don't know. These are just the settings I got right now. So here's all the settings I got. I'm also using as the font. It actually is a pretty good font, no cap. It is Gotham Bold. There we go. And then I'm pretty sure that's almost it. And also the text will just be 0. There we go. So I'd recommend doing the same size and everything for the leaderboard just in case. So let's go back into the money and make sure everything else is good. So yes, make sure to do all these settings right here. So these are gonna be for the stats. Just remember that. These are gonna be showing the stats and everything. The border color, again, I'm going to make it the same blue type of outline thing, and then it's going to be kind of like a gray. There we go. So that's the money. Now we will be going into the player name here. So this is going to be, again, the same color, the border color, and then the background color. But the text will be player name. Text will be player name. And then we'll do text scaled and 35 again. Also, the text stroke transparency, I'm going to make it 0 on both. I forgot to do that, but it's 0 on both of them. And it's almost the same settings. Then we got the gold. And let's see, anything else? I think that should be all. Visible, yes. All right. And then we just have to quickly do the size right there and the position. So make sure you guys follow these steps exactly, or you could get mistaken for some of these. So the last one we're going to do is the rank. So the position for the rank here is just going to be 0, 0. But the size is going to be that right there. Let's change the color again to what we always have it. There we go. And then let's scroll down And remember to use Gotham Bold. You guys can use whatever you want, but I'm using Gotham Bold for all of them. Just because it looks pretty good. Text color, same again. And then, but the text is going to say #1. That's what the text is going to say for it. #1. So text scaled, size 35. And then text stroke transparency 0. And then that should be all we have to do for these few texts right here. Also, background transparency, we'll have to make it 1 for every single one right here. So yeah, once you finish that, we can finally go to this part right here. We're going to be into the list right here. I'm pretty sure into the list you would want to make a UI list layout, and then here is all the settings you guys have to do for it. As you guys can see, it's pretty simple, but this is what you guys have to do for it. And then these will be the actual text. So these are just these texts were just for the script to know where to place it. So now we're going to be copying. We're going to be almost copying these scripts again. But let's add on the list 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 text labels. 5 text labels. And now we just have to quickly edit these. So for every single text label, the colors are all going to be the same. You guys can do the colors whatever you want, but I'm going to make all these colors the same right here. There we go. So it's all bordered in blue. The background color is going to be the black/gray type of thing again. And there we go. So now, what else do we have to do? So we have to name these real quick. So the first one, you're gonna name money. Second one, you're going to name name. Third is going to be rank. Fourth is going to be reset time. So the board, the resetting is a little bit buggy, but this is when it resets. So yes. All right, and then we got the title of the whole thing. So now let's start with the sizes real quick. So the money size is going to be that right there. That's going to be the size of the money. And then the size of the name is going to be right here. So if you guys have to pause the video, just pause the video at any moment. Rank is going to be this right here. Reset time is going to be this. And then we got lastly the title, which is right there. So that's going to be the title, and yes, that should be all for just a little bit. So now we're going to do the positions real quick. All right, that was the problem, guys. So just move. Sorry, I did not know this was actually wrong. So the UI list will be in the list right here, but these 5 ranks right here will have to be in this right here. they will have to be sorry, they will have to be in this right here, the surface GUI. So sorry about that. Sorry I didn't mention that. It's very easy to move. You just copy and paste the whole thing, and then you can just move it into here, and then it's right there. So sorry about that, but all right. So we already done the sizes. So the position for the money is this right here. We will need the money right there. The name position is going to be sorry, whoops, that's size. There we go. That's for the name. Then we got the rank. So let's get the rank in here. Reset time. And we will need the title. So the title just stays at the top right there. So now as you guys can see, the words are a little bit small. So what you guys are gonna do for every single thing right here, I don't know. Yeah, okay. Copy and paste everything. I mean, just copy everything. And now we are just going to do well, for the money name and rank. So copy and paste the money name and rank here. Make the color the same color. So the text color, I'm just gonna make do that. Text size is going to be 30. Oh yeah, we also have to change these. So the money is going to just say the money is just gonna say, where is it? Money in all caps, and then name in all caps and name, and rank in all caps and rank. Now to make these look a little bit better, we're going to get rid of the text stroke for all of these real quick. So text stroke transparency is going to be 0 for all these. And it's also going to all be in, where is it? Gotham bold. So it looks very big so people can see it. So that's all we have to do for these three. The reset timer. The reset time, we're going to name it resetting in 5 seconds. So it's going to say it's resetting in 5 seconds. This will update on the actual game. So let's just scale the text. So it scales the whole thing. Or tries to make it as big as possible. Again, text stroke transparency is 0. And then I'm going to change the color of it to an actual different color. So, well, this is going to be the border color, and then the background color is going to be different as well. It's going to be a little lighter, as you guys can see. So that's the reset time. And then what else? What else do we have to do? Let's do border size text 0 pixels. And I think that's almost all we need to, again, change this to Gotham bold, so it's very bold. And why is it still, oh yeah, sorry, the text color has to be changed actually. So it's actually a little bit brighter. So yeah, that's the text color on the bottom. You guys can, again, change the colors to whatever you want, but this is just what I want to do personally for mine. So yeah, that's going to be the reset time. Again, this does not work in Studio, so if you are trying to test this in Studio, it does not work in Studio. So, the last thing we will do is the title real quick. So I'm going to make the background color a little bit lighter. And then also, yeah, the background color is, the border color is the same thing. What else we got? We got the position right, size. So yeah, again, copy all these settings. We're going to name it global leaderboard in all caps. We're going to scale the text, and we're going to make it 45. I don't really think it matters if it's scaled, but then we're going to make this, where is it? Gotham bold. And then we're so close to finishing. I'm just going to change the text color to something a little bit more light. There we go. And let's change this to 0 so it has a little black outline around it. So here is the board here. It's looking pretty nice. I think some of the colors for like the template and stuff could maybe be changed to a little lighter color. I'm not gonna lie, because I think it looks like really dark personally for this. So maybe we can like change it to that, and maybe change this to like a white. I don't know, it's your guys' choice. Like, where's the... So here's a list here. Alright, yeah, that's cool. That's cool as well. So, alright. So yeah, here's your board. Let's go into game just to check it out. I think I forgot to actually anchor this. I don't know if it automatically anchors, but make sure to also anchor this. So as you can see, it will reset. But since this is a since it is Roblox Studio, it will not work. So as you can see, the timer works and everything. It resets about every 10 seconds. I'm pretty sure you guys are able to change that. If you guys want to change the timer, just go into here and then change this. So 10, 10, and then yeah, just change those two, and then it will change how long it takes to reset the timer. So yes, that's how you make a global leaderboard. I thank all of you who watched till the end of the video here. This was a pretty long video, probably one of my longest scripting videos, but this was kind of a pretty big project to do, you know, so make sure to anchor that as well. And then yes, that's going to be your global leaderboard here. It should work in the game. If it doesn't work, just tell me in the comments. I will try helping you to fix it. And yes, again, thank you guys for all watching. I guess I will see you guys all in the next one. Make sure to go check out my other scripting videos. And yes, I will see you guys all later in the next one. And bye.